Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another recipe from HelloFresh, and this is called the Gorgeous Greens Farro Bowl. I recently switched to the vegetarian meal, so they've been sending me a lot of things I haven't had before. So I haven't had farro, and last meal I didn't have seitan before. So a lot of things that are new to me, which I love. And the first thing I did was add some water, the farro, and the stock concentrate, and let that heat up. I'm going to boil that for about 30 to 35 minutes. And while that's cooking, I started washing and drying all my produce and getting that chopped up. I preheated my oven to 450 degrees and I added my zucchini and some asparagus. I'm going to salt and pepper those, and those are going to get cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. So once I got done with that, gave them a good mix, put those in the oven, and I prepped the rest of the ingredients. So I have garlic and onion, lemon zest, and the stalks of the asparagus. Then I heated up some olive oil and added my onions. Cooked those for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then when there's about 5 minutes left on the farro, you add the rest of the asparagus in there so it can cook. Then I went back to where I was cooking my onions and I added the garlic to it. A little bit of multitasking going around here. And then when the farro and the asparagus was done, I added that in. Gave it a little mix. Added in some lemon zest. And lemon juice. Then I also added in a tablespoon of butter, and again seasoned with salt and pepper, and then I added half of the Parmesan that they gave me. And you're going to want to stir that around till all the butter's melted. And then that part of the meal is done. All that you have to do now is plate it. So I added the farro mixture, some of the vegetables on top, added some walnuts. You can add in the rest of the Parmesan cheese, some more lemon zest. And that's how it turned out. Very, very flavorful. The lemon really brings out the citrusy flavors in it, and it was absolutely delicious. So if you'd like to try anything from HelloFresh, I do have a coupon code I will leave below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.